What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can get started making passive income online with affiliate marketing. And I thought the best way to do this would be to explain how I got started in affiliate marketing and explain to you the steps that I took to get to where I am today. And it might surprise you that there was no special steps, no secrets. I'll take you through exactly how I got started and how I'm making over $50,000 per month now with passive income. And one of those income streams is affiliate marketing, and it is one of the best. In fact, I personally think it's the top business model online because you don't need your own products. It's easy to get traffic to this stuff, and the products convert like crazy. Now, before we jump into this, guys, remember to drop a like on this video, tap that notification bell, and subscribe when you know my next video comes out. So how did I get started in affiliate marketing? What did I do, and why should you care? So the reason why you want to care is because I built up a massive affiliate marketing empire, and I did it properly. I didn't take any secret shortcuts. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. I did it properly, and it works extremely well today. So step number one, guys, what did I do? I was just like you, just like anybody else trying to do this online, searching for how to make money online, right? So first of all, I didn't have any special skills. I didn't have any experience when I started searching for how to make money online. I did do some other things online, bought courses, bought books, and tried a few other things. And some of them were successful, some of them weren't. But then I moved towards affiliate marketing, and I'll tell you exactly why. Because I found people making extremely huge profits with affiliate marketing, and it caught my interest. So what I did is I started researching, and I found a blog called Smart Passive Income, and he had income reports. And it was a bit of a game changer for me because I always thought online was a scam, there's all this, I make a little bit of money here, make a little bit of money here, and it's all, no one's really making big money, and no one was making huge money back then, until I found Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income. Now, I looked at his income reports, and he was making like $8,000 a month, $10,000, $12,000, and it kept going up and up and up to like $50,000, $30,000. But the thing about these income reports, guys, is he had links to how he was actually making this money, the products he was promoting, exactly how much he was making, how he was promoting those products. So everything was laid out right in front of me. And I was like, this is pretty cool. I'm not going to copy him, but I can replicate what he's doing. I can model what he's doing with my own twist, and it should work, right? So I started kind of like one of my first blogs. I did have a few other blogs, but I started one of my first blogs, and it was called howtoshoot-a-basketball.com. Now, this blog is not around anymore. We still have it, but we had to change the name to a brandable domain name because Google didn't like the domain howtoshoot-a-basketball.com. It was way too close to our keyword match. So anyway, back to the story. I started this website, howtoshoot-a-basketball.com, and on that website, I was promoting a ClickBank product, and I was promoting a basketball hoops from Amazon. So these were like $1,000 each. I was getting good commissions from Amazon, and I was also getting good commissions from ClickBank. But when I started, I did the website and stuff, and I launched it, and then crickets, nothing happened. I didn't get any sales or anything. So the next step was, I need to research how to get traffic. So then I came across a website called matthewwoodward.co.uk, I think, or .uk.com, whatever it was. And he taught people how to rank websites in Google. So I started studying that, and I started running tests, started doing this, started doing that. And I failed a few times. I had other websites that failed, but then eventually, howtoshoot-a-basketball.com, we just made $30. And then the next week later, we made $60. Then we made $100. And then we got all the way up to like $1,000, and I was like, this is amazing. $1,000 a week. This is crazy. We're making $1,000 a week, and I'm literally not doing anything now. We put in all the hard work before. So what you need to do, guys, to make passive income with affiliate marketing and other whatever methods you want to do is this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Like, you need to actually study. So every single night after work, I studied. I read these 2 blogs. I read other blogs, and I just had this mental note in my head, this entire like book in my head of what I needed to do, what I needed to test, and what I need to get done to actually make this work. Now, one of the number one tips I'm going to give you guys is you must test. So I get emails every day. Franklin, can you mentor me? Franklin, can you do me one-on-one consulting? What's that going to do for you? It's absolutely useless because you're not going to learn everything you need to learn from me in a 1-hour coaching call. It's a complete waste of my time. It's a complete waste of your time. And this whole mentorship one-on-one consulting is a big gimmick just so people can take money from you. What you need to do is study, research, research and keep doing it and test and test and test. It might take you 2 or 3 months before you start making money. It might take you a year, but at the end of it, if you do it right, you study, you knuckle down, you test things, you will eventually start to see money. Then when you get that taste, that first $5, that first $20, it becomes an addiction. Passive income becomes an addiction, and you want to keep going, and that's what drives you to keep going and keep going. I had some people in my other videos saying, Franklin, when is enough is enough? You make $50,000 a month just from your passive income streams, not including course sales and stuff. And I'm like, well, enough is enough when I stop making money, but you want to keep making as much as you possibly can so you can live a good life. But to get there, you must research what's working in the industry. Now, one thing I love about affiliate marketing, guys, and how we get this traffic is the lifetime sustainability of this traffic source. So when I was reading Pat Flynn's blog years ago, he's still making money from the same traffic sources. And this was like 8 years ago or something when I started reading this. So the good thing is we're ranking these websites in Google, and they are staying there for a long time, years and years and years. Now there's a lot of hearsay in the industry like, oh, my website dropped off the rankings, I'm not getting any traffic. If you do it properly, that doesn't happen. It's as simple as that. When you try and take shortcuts and you try and rank fast, you try and do black hat stuff, you are not going to rank for a super long time. It's only going to be short-lived. But my sites, I have multiple sites, guys, that have been ranking for years and years, and they still rank today, bringing me in money every single day, well over $100 each of these blogs. So what I recommend you do if you want to make $100 online with affiliate marketing is go and look at other people's income reports, because that is motivation for you to go and crack it online and put in the work. Because when you have all these numbers right in front of you, you're like, okay, this is crazy. I have to get this done. I have to keep testing. I have to go out and make this work. And you do make it work, guys. And remember, there is no shortcuts in this game. Okay, if you're emailing me saying, hey, I want mentorship, I want to make $1,000 by tomorrow, you're not going to succeed. If you hit me up and say, hey, I want to be a millionaire by the end of this month, you're never going to succeed. It's never going to happen unless you change your mindset and realize that this stuff is going to take a while to get into. It is a little bit of hard work, and you need to be testing over and over again to get into this. And one thing I do want to point out, guys, is when you see people like me online and other people who are really successful, we probably worked 10 years of hard work before we got here, or 5 years, or 3 years. Now, if you do want to go and see an income report to motivate you guys, I'm going to leave a video up on the screen of how I make over $57,000 per month in passive income. So go and make sure you check that out, and I break down exactly the steps that I take to go out and make passive income online. And remember, guys, to subscribe, tap that notification bell, drop a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.